In this short recording, I'll show how easy it is to create a Lansweeper to ServiceNow CMDB synchronization job using the CI Synchronizer user interface. There are 5 simple steps. In step 1, I select the environment type, test or production. I select my source data, which is a global Lansweeper SQL database, and then I choose a destination, which is my ServiceNow CMDB. In step 2, I select from the large list of predefined Lansweeper assets and related records. In this case, I'll select all. In step 3, I review the recommended CI to CI relationships that will be automatically created in my ServiceNow CMDB. Unless there's a good reason not to, I'd suggest including all available relationships so those ServiceNow dependency diagrams come to life. In step 4, I can either schedule a job or run it now. Step 5, I simply review my selections and click Go. The relevant cloud services will dynamically spin up and the sync job will start shortly, and my ServiceNow CMDB will be updated to reflect the IT assets in my Lansweeper database. And that's how simple CMDB automation should be. To complete this demonstration, I've toggled over to a ServiceNow instance to show the Lansweeper data synchronized into the CMDB using CI Synchronizer. I'll show a few different CI types and their dependency diagrams to really show off what's possible using Lansweeper data integrated into your CMDB. First, let's look at some Microsoft SQL instances. We've synchronized around 500 SQL database instances. If I select one from the list, we can see the attribute detail about SQL itself, version, edition, even service pack, and really importantly, the dependencies, including databases and the underlying infrastructure that runs this SQL server. If I put this on a dependency diagram, the data comes to life. It's databases and the underlying Windows server. If I drill into the server itself, we see an impressive array of attribute data, related lists, and for the purpose of this demo, the dependency information including its network connectivity or network infrastructure, and even digital certificates used by this Windows server. Again, on the dependency diagram, the data coming to life. If I drill through now into some network equipment, we see the incredible array of dependency information coming to life. Here's the switch that I chose a moment ago, showing its connection to a firewall, to other switches, to a router, to a whole bunch of devices, Windows servers connected to the switch. And similarly, we can drill through or visualize across the entire topology other switches and network equipment and the relevant devices, Windows servers, Linux servers, computers, scanners, and so on, all connected to this device. There's tremendous power in these diagrams and the underpinning data from a whole range of ITIL processes, certainly including change management, problem management, and incident management. I'll show one last record type, some virtualization equipment. If we look at an ESX host, again, Lansweeper and CI Sync generating all that rich attribute data, and clearly represented here by the relationship information, a tremendous array of automatically derived relationships. Popping that onto a dependency diagram shows the incredible capability of this data when placed in the CMDB. I hope this has demonstrated the simplicity and power and sophistication of our integration between Lansweeper and ServiceNow CMDB. If you want to solve CMDB automation, reach out to Lansweeper and Syncfish. And thanks for watching.